Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today's an exciting day for me because we're about to unbox a special gift from Google. A couple of weeks ago, a Google partner reached out to me and turns out that they decided to send me a mystery box from Google. So what we have here is a Google branded box with hashtag Team Pixel on the side. So I guess that makes me an official member of hashtag Team Pixel. So I can't wait to see what's inside, so let's go ahead and dive in. So this is like an early Christmas for me from Google, and inside the box we have the Pixel 3a in just black with a couple of goodies. We'll be checking out the Pixel 3a in a bit, but for now let's go ahead and take a look at what else they put in the box. So they included a Project Fi card in case I want to jump into the Project Fi, but I don't think I will. And there's also a hashtag Team Pixel welcome card, so that's nice. They also included a grocery bag, which I think is pretty nice. It does have Google branding on it, but I will most definitely be using it when I go grocery shopping. That's if I don't forget it in the car like I usually do. So the next item is a pop socket with hashtag Team Pixel on it, and I honestly don't use pop sockets on my phone, but I might just give this a try and stick it on one of my cases. So the last item in the box is a Google case for the Pixel 3a, and I honestly didn't expect Google to also include a case. I have been wanting to get a Google case for my Pixel 3 XL. I don't know about you guys, but $40 seemed too steep for me for a case, so I never bought it. But now I get to try it out and see if I like it and maybe end up buying one for my Pixel 3 XL. Alright, so let's go ahead and carry on to the unboxing of the Google Pixel 3a, and I still can't believe that Google actually sent me out a gift. But of course, I will be giving it my unbiased opinion and see if it's worth all the hype on my full review, so keep an eye out for that. In this box you will find the SIM ejection tool and also some Google stickers as well as the usual manual. Then there's also the USB Type-C cable for charging and the USB Type-C to A adapter, and then you also have the wall brick. From a design perspective, the Pixel 3a looks identical to the Pixel 3. I have here the Pixel 3 XL, and the difference lies in the use of polycarbonate material on the back of the Pixel 3a instead of glass, so it's basically just hard plastic. In the hands it feels very soft and it has a similar feel to the Pixel 3 XL. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and just transfer over my SIM card from my Pixel 3 XL to the Pixel 3a, and then get it set up, and then we'll be right back. So my first impression of the Google Pixel 3a is that it's a really small phone, but because of this I can grip it really well and reach more sections of the screen without having to adjust my grip like I would on the Pixel 3 XL, and it feels nice for a change. The other thing I noticed is that it has a darn good vibration motor. The haptic feedback doesn't feel cheap at all, and quite frankly I was caught off guard. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. Google had to obviously make some compromises to get the price down to $399. It doesn't support front-facing speakers on the 3a. They are moved to the bottom of the phone, but sound good, not as loud as the Pixel 3 XL, but they are enjoyable to listen to. Now carrying over to the front of the Pixel 3a, it has a thick forehead and chin as well as thicker sides. And it's rocking Dragon Trail glass instead of Gorilla Glass, and it does have an 18:9 aspect ratio with an OLED panel with a resolution of 2220 by 1080p. The display is sharp and the colors pop. To me it looks like it has slightly darker tones than the Pixel 3 XL. So what amazes me about the Pixel 3a and 3a XL is that they brought back the headphone jack. I don't know if this is only going to be an exclusive feature on their mid-tier devices or if it will make a comeback on the Pixel 4, which I highly doubt, but I'm staying hopeful for. So now I can finally play Pubg wherever I go without having to remember to bring my dongle with me. So now that brings me to the performance. Using this phone for the past few hours, I didn't encounter any lag. It's been running fluidly. So far it doesn't feel slow until you put it next to the Pixel 3 XL. It takes half a second longer to load certain apps. Even opening the camera is quick as on the Pixel 3 XL, and switching between the modes is fast. Now where you can notice a slowdown is in the processing of the HDR pictures compared to the Pixel 3 XL. So far the Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 is proving to be a snappy processor. I can't say for sure until I use it longer, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. Starting Pubg on the Pixel 3a, it recommended me to use high settings, and I left it like that and I played a couple of quick matches. But I will have to play a couple of full matches to see how it does, and I also have to adjust my button layout because I kept missing it and I kept dying. So I have to get that adjusted. Alright, so now let's go ahead and move on to the camera. The Pixel 3a is rocking the identical camera setup as the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL minus the visual core. This here is most likely going to be the selling point of the Google Pixel 3a line. I really dig the portrait mode and the night sight on the Pixel 3 XL. It's on a league of its own, and seeing it on a $400 phone is impressive. So the Pixel 3a takes very similar pictures as the Pixel 3 XL that it's difficult to tell them apart. So I don't have much input on battery life yet. I literally only had this phone for about 7 hours. Google does claim you can get 7 hours of battery life on just 15 minutes of charge, which is pretty amazing. I'll have to test it in my full review of the Pixel 3a. The Pixel 3a has a bigger battery than the Pixel 3, rated at 3000, and the Pixel 3a XL has a 3700 mAh battery. Can't wait to see the results I get after using it for a week. So both the Pixel 3a and 3a XL are missing wireless charging, but if you see my Pixel 3 XL review, you know that that's a feature I really don't care about. I'd rather much have a faster charging speed. So now the big question is the Pixel 3a at $400 worth it? And we'll have to wait until my full review to give you a concrete answer. Now if you want a good deal on the Pixel 3a, I suggest you buy it on the Google store because they are throwing in $100 promotional store credit. You can use it to get yourself a nice case, the Pixel USB-C earphones, the Pixel speaker, or for $50 more, you can buy the Pixel buds. Now that's a great value. You're pretty much buying the Pixel 3a for $300 and the accessories for an extra $100 if you want to see it that way. In the meantime, while I work on the full detailed review of the Google Pixel 3a, let me know below what you would like to see on the upcoming review of it. Until then, thank you guys for watching, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to stay tuned for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.